In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the raised herringbone stitch. Start by making a short straight stitch. You can make this longer or shorter than what I'm doing here, depending on the effect you want in the end. Bring your needle back up through your fabric at the tip of your leaf shape. Weave your needle underneath your initial straight stitch without piercing the floss or the fabric. Once that's pulled nice and tight, bring your needle back down through the last hole you created. Next, you'll start to follow that leaf shape all the way down. Bring your needle up through your fabric just next to your last stitch and following the line of the leaf shape. Again, weave your needle underneath your straight stitch and bring it back down just next to your last stitch. You'll continue this all the way down your leaf shape. I'll speed up the video here to get us to the end a little bit more quickly. Once you get close to filling in your full shape, you'll have to be extra cautious not to accidentally pierce your floss as you weave through. It's kind of hard to see here, but I'm using my left hand to gently push up my fabric at this stage, just underneath my straight stitch. That helps me to make sure I'm weaving my needle without piercing the floss or fabric.